thank you everybody for coming to my first video of my YouTube channel. If you guys haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to clone yourself. To be able to do this, you're gonna have to record part of your video on this side and part of your video on this side. So I'm gonna record it for TikTok, so here we go. Now that we recorded it, we just gotta trim it into 2 different clips. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go and trim this to right here, right when I walk out. I'm gonna save it as a new clip. Then I'm gonna go back to the same one, trim it all the way on the other side until I walk out of the frame, and save that one right there. And then now you're gonna open up Video Elite. You're gonna click on Mixer, add the clip that's usually the shortest, that's the smartest way of doing it. Then add the clip that's maybe a little longer. Mine are both the same length, so it doesn't matter to me. After that, you're gonna stretch up the video. For some reason it doesn't fit size, so stretch it out until it matches up with the other one. Then you're gonna click Mask, and then Linear. Then you're gonna grab it, and you're gonna move it till it's straight up and down, and then you click the Invert button, and it's done. All you gotta do then is click Export, and drag it to 1080p, because that's the highest resolution TikTok can record at, and hit Save. And voila, you're done. Okay guys, thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you watching my first YouTube video. Thank you guys so much. It means a lot to me. And if you'd like to like and subscribe, go ahead. If not, well, you're gonna miss out then. Alright, but anyways guys, I'll see you guys on the next one, alright? Bye!